Your Excellency, President Xi Jinping, esteemed guests of honor, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure today to lead the Pakistani delegation at the first China International Import Expo. I especially want to thank the President, the Chinese government, for the great hospitality accorded to me and my delegation. As the Belt and Road Initiative gives shape to a global community of shared interests, this expo will help spread dividends of freer trade amongst more closely integrated economies.